Respected principal ma'am and my dear teachers, once again good morning to all of you. I think there is a lot of tension in your mind. I think you are worried that workshop is there. Yes? I can see Satish's face, I can see Pragati ma'am's face, that they are thinking about the workshop. You have to sit for a long hour. Today this workshop, you know the topic of the workshop? Yes? Anyone? No. That is life skill. That is life skill. Everyone has his or her own life skills. Just today we are here to enhance our life skills. How we are going to enhance our life skills? Just firstly, there will be two sessions. In the first session, what we will learn that what is life skills, and second session we are going to know about the techniques that how we are going to enhance our life skill through that techniques. Okay? So can anyone say that what is life skill? Yes? Yes. Samantha is here? Yes, you want to speak something about the life skill?
Yes, life skill is to how to manage the life skill as per my perception, that how to manage the things, how to think critically when a situation is there, how to manage the things very carefully. Yes. In means words, if things are positive, then there is no issue. But what if the things are negative? Then that time, how we are reacting, that is called a life skill. How to tackle the situation.
Any other from this group? Yes? Anyone? Yes.
How to deal with the situation whenever we are facing some problem or any problem we are going through. How to deal with that situation, we have to apply our life skills. Whatever the situation are there, many times we face in such condition that we need to think our learning doesn't come out. But when we have such life skills values, then it will help us in that situation.
Yes, from this group? Yes, Malika ma'am.
For me, life skill is to live a positive life.
Live a
Positive life.
From this group?
According to me, life skill is what you are experiencing in your life, whatever it is, positive or negative, and how those experiences you are using in your life, like whatever challenges, whatever situation you are facing, and you are using those negative or positive experiences, skills that you use to face those situations.
Okay. Just now you can see that you know more than me about the life skill. Only we are going to enhance. Now you can see life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enables individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life that we are going to face. And we have got the common answers from us. Now what I am going to do, just I am going to show you some skills over here. These are the subcategories of the skill. Okay? Now these subcategories are being divided into three main skills. You know the three main skills? Three main skills of the life skills? Yes?
Interpersonal skills,
Three main skills.
social skill, thinking skill, emotional skill, and thinking skill.
It means three main skills are thinking skill, social skills, and emotional skills. These are the subcategories that you have to write. That paper you have got. In that paper you have to write your name first. After that, I will read one subcategories. That categories you will categorize into the main. Yes, first one, read Samantha.
Self-awareness.
Yes. First one is self-awareness. Can you guess in which skill? Social, thinking, and emotional.
I think it is social.
Now, the second one is effective communication.
Social skill.
Okay, very good. The third one is problem solving. Thinking skill, okay. The fourth one is interpersonal relationship. Yes, Anita ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
That is interpersonal relationship.
Social skill.
Okay, very good. Now, next is creative thinking. Vikram sir. Now, today everyone will get chance to speak. Whatever you have to speak.
Thinking is key.
Today you will not get chance to sleep because I am always with you. Okay? Now, next is coping with stress. Madhu ma'am, coping with stress. Stress.
Emotional skills.
Very good. Decision making. Jyoti ma'am.
Thinking.
Now next, empathy.
Emotional skills.
Managing emotions.
Emotional skills.
I hope you all have written. Okay. Now you can see the answers from here. Thinking skill. Self-awareness is in thinking skill. Problem solving, thinking skill. Decision making, that is thinking skill. Critical thinking, that is thinking skill. And creative thinking, that is thinking skill. Again comes to social skill. Here you can see interpersonal relationship, that is social skill. Then next is effective communication, that is also social skill. Next is empathy, that is also social skill. Next, emotional skills we have managing emotion. And next, coping with stress, that is also emotional skill. You can clearly see these three main skills. You can see thinking, social or emotional. Can anyone teach? No. We can enhance this skill by the different techniques. What are those techniques that we will go through in the next session? Okay. Now just I am going to divide you among the, because you are sitting with your comfortable friends. Okay. Now I am just going to divide you. Okay. The number which has been allotted to you, according to that you have to sit. Okay. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Purnamam 2. You are 3 and 4. Now group 1, sit here. Group 1. Group 2. Group 3 and group 4. Sit according to your group. Now, just once again I am going to repeat about the life skill. Life skill has been categorized into three main skills, that is thinking skill, social skill and emotional skill. These are the 10 subcategories that have been categorized into three main skills. You can see self-awareness, problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, creative thinking, they are thinking skill. Interpersonal relationship, effective communication, empathy are social skills. Managing emotions and coping with stress, that has been into emotional skill. Now just I am going to give you handout 1A. In handout 1A, 12 MCQ based questions are there. In that you can have one answer might be correct or two or all should be also the correct. You have to, if you want, you can discuss with your group also and you can answer them. Okay? I think all have got the paper. Is there anyone who have not got? You are having 5 minutes time to go for your answers. Even if you want, you can discuss with your group. You will write your name in the given paper also. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
On my phone, then press one copy. He or she is high on problem solving, decision making, creative thinking, critical thinking.
Problem or critical? Best tell me. Problem.
When a student expresses, I would rather someone who is what else than someone who is
To solve this question, you have to use your entire life skills. When you have got the paper, you have started thinking skills that you are going to. In the given questions, you can have answers more than one. Now what you have to do, you have to evaluate your answer sheet by yourself. Each group will get a chance to answer 4 questions. Okay. Now group 1, the first question. Firstly you have to read the questions, then you have to answer it.
And be like a lady called to gender stereotype, which of the following scale is essential to contain damaging effects of living up to gender stereotype? Critical thinking, according to me.
Critical thinking. You can have critical thinking and effective communications. Both over here. Option C and D, both is correct. Next, Salonican.
When a student says, I would rather think upon a picture on my own than trace a copy one, he, she is high on creative thinking as well as decision making skill.
Option C, that is creative thinking. Now you can pass mic to Madhu ma'am. Yes. Only one option is correct, that is critical thinking. That is question number 2. Question number 2, option number C. That is creative thinking. That is creative thinking. Yes. Now question number 3, Madhu ma'am.
When a student expresses, I would rather have as a friend someone who is deeply and full of ideas than someone who is nice and always want to do what I want.
Yes.
So he and she is having, according to me, creative thinking as well as both problem solving.
Critical thinking.
Yes.
Here we have critical thinking. Now, question number 4. Yes, you can.
Which one of the following indicates effective communication skills in one? If one receives unfavorable feedback, I know whether I need to improve.
That is option D is correct. Yes, I know where I need to improve. Now,
One of the following statement is correct in the context of managing emotions. Only some people can learn how to manage emotion. Emotion can be controlled. Sharing one's own feeling emotion is not good. Feeling different emotions at different times is normal. Option D.
option D is correct. Yes, Ruby ma'am. Next question number 6.
When time is right, I face my negative feelings and work through. What the issue is, this indicates presence of managing emotion.
That is, yes, question number 6. That is self-awareness and managing emotion both. Now, question number 7. Yes, pass.
The question is, you have, so I have given direction to a stranger and want to reach a girl and offered my seat on a bus and a train to an elderly stranger. I do have done volunteer work for a charity. I do have
Yeah, that is option number.
A,
That is option number
A, C
A.
and D.
Only A. Only A. Yes, that is empathy. Yes. Here we have empathy. Now, question number 8, Samina ma'am.
Process of direction taking in the way of the following process in other select the correct orders. Indefinitely, the problem skill and all analyzing problem decline on the result.
The process of decision making involves the following process in an order. Select the correct order.
The option D, sir. Option D.
That is option D. Now, group 4. Question number 9.
To resist peer pressure to encourage to say no, how would you advise the student to respond? My answer is given alternative.
Yes,
Given alternative C.
that is C. 9. To resist peer pressures to encourage to say no, how would you advise the students to respond? That is, you have say no and walk away, give an alternative and avoid a response. Option B, C and D. Oh, B, C and D. Yes. Question number 10. Question number 10.
Position number 10. None of sign of mistakes include A, B, D.
A, B. You have option number A, B, C and D. All. Now, question number 11 to group 2.
Advertisements try to attract attention and sell products by using film stars, players, or famous persons for endorsement. Which life skill is required to resist the impact of advertisement that doesn't communicate harmful consequences of the use of the product? Options are creative thinking, problem solving, decision making, and critical thinking. I think there's creative thinking and critical thinking.
D1. That is critical thinking. Now last question, question number 12.
Which of the following will help you to analyze the pros and cons of any situation? Problem solving and critical thinking.
That is option number D. Yes. Now you can see that all are aware about the life skill. What is life skill? It means that it is not what you do for your children, but what you have taught them to do for themselves that will make them successful human beings. The primary aim of education is not only we are going to improve them. Yes, you can see that we are learning about the life skill. Another skill that is livelihood skills. Yes. Then what is the difference between livelihood skills and life skills? Yes, you can say something. If you want to say.
Sir, please.
Yes, Manika ma'am.
Skills which are used to earn for their life. अर्न करने का जो skills होता है those are called as livelihood skills. It's occupation related to your occupations. The skills you earn. Yes.
Means it is related to income generation. It is related to income generation. So you know the difference between them?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, very good student.
Yes. Next is self-awareness. From group 1. Yes, what is self-awareness?
Self-awareness is when you are aware about your feelings, your emotions, how you are thinking. Mainly when you are aware about your emotions and feelings. How to
Awareness of the things, what to do, what to do.
Yes. It means self-awareness, you can see that is your strength. That is your strength. That is your confidence also. Now next is problem solving.
Often in life we come across a situation where we are trapped in a dilemma that what should we do? At that point of time, our critical thinking, and with help of that critical thinking, the solving of that problem matters a lot. So that's what is the meaning of problem solving.
Fine. Next is decision making. Do you want to speak about the decision making?
Decision making is somehow very, we can say, sometimes it's very hard to make decisions. Any situation if we are having, like dealing as it is written constructively with decisions about our life. So decision is going to be wrong or right. That is related to the critical thinking. That how we are going to make our decision according to the situation, whether it is going to right or wrong, and then after what we have to do. So that.
Okay. Next is critical thinking. Anyone from this group? Critical thinking.
It is.
Give chance to other also.
Critical thinking means sometimes we are in a situation which are very critical. We are not able to construct that situation to cope up with that situation. So in that situation we have to.
Yes, Manika ma'am. Yes, in my group. Actually, we are here to enhance our life skill. Everyone knows what is life skill, what are their categories, subcategories, everyone knows. Just here, why we are here? We are here to just enhance ourselves. So give chance to everyone. Yes.
Critical thinking is to analyze. To analyze and then respond in that way. You have to use your brain that time in that situation. Ki what will be correct for me? That is critical thinking. मतलब
When you have got the handout, have you used that time critical thinking?
yes, obviously.
That time you have used how?
There were many questions where we were thinking it critically.
Critically.
We were thinking it, then we were answering it.
Okay. Next, any other member? Next is creative thinking. Any other members of group 3? What is creative thinking? Yes. Ruby ma'am wants to speak. Very good.
Thinking skill is observing any situation, making the decision is also related to thinking skill. How creatively we can observe the situation and reach at any point.
Very good. Any other? From any group? About creative thinking? See, here are the characteristics of 4 components. That is fluency, flexibility, and originality and elaboration. These are the 4 components of creative thinking that we are going to use when we are having the creative thinking. Next is interpersonal relationship. Yes, Anita ma'am.
हमारा समाज में एक दूसरे के साथ कैसा संबंध है, उस संबंध का निर्धारण किस तरह से करते हैं और उस संबंध को किस तरह से निभाते हैं, यानी सोसाइटी में हमारा रिलेशन कैसा है, उससे किस तरह से हम बढ़ाते हैं और उस संबंध को सुदृढ़ बनाते हैं. तो इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप का मतलब यही है.
Okay. Any other? Yes.
So interpersonal relationship basically involves communication skills also. In that we are communicating with the group and with ourselves and with one-to-one person. So where there is a communication, there is interpersonal skills. Use it. Okay, sir?
Okay, fine. Just you can see that whatever is written over there in PPT, that already you know, you are just aware of it. Just you have to, just I am repeating my point, just you have to enhance yourself. Next is effective communication. Yes. Now effective communications we have Pragati ma'am.
So communication skill is all about how we convey or express our ideas, our thoughts, what we are thinking. So how effectively we convey is what is all about effective communication skill. There are few things that we must take care of. You're clear, you're concise, you're comprehensive, you are conveying courteously. So there are so many things that has to be taken care of when you're talking about effective communication skill. Be confident, be assertive.
Okay, very good.
The
Next.
way we will interact and ask others, accordingly we will get the return from them. That's the most important thing. It's not the class. As being a teacher, we communicate the content nicely in the class. That is communication. But in personal life, how we want to get help from others, how we seek the help, that's known as the effective communication.
Okay. Yes.
Effective communication is that also when we are talking, suppose we are talking with a very stressed person and we are in a good mood. So we have to first observe the communication just depends upon the environment also, like what is the environment, we have to communicate through that only. If the environment is very nice, so if we are going to talk in a stressed way, then that will just spoil the environment. So communication should be as per the mood of the environment also. So it will
very good. Next is empathy. Yes, who wants to explain? Yes.
Empathy is when we put ourselves in someone else's shoes and we understand their situation and we feel it genuinely from our heart and we react in that way. That is, according to me, is
Keeping a person in that.
Yes, Sambandha ma'am, you want to speak something?
Empathy is to stop thinking always according to us. We have to think according to the person who is opposite to us, that how he or she sees the situation, how he or she faces the situation, and how he feels. So according to him or her, we have to understand their feeling. That is called empathy.
That. Okay.
So,
Yes.
So there is a term sympathy also. So sympathy means if we are feeling something bad happens to someone, so we will sorry for that. Oh, that's very bad that it happens with you. And empathy means going ahead, one step more ahead towards empathy. That means if the person is feeling bad, we are doing something that brings the person in a comfort zone. That's what is empathy.
Yes.
Empathy means it is about the observation of any situation with the perception of others. What other things?
Yes, you want to say something?
Empathy is not such that we only have to think. Empathy will be seen when we are going to create it at that moment. Like if somebody needs a help, if somebody is in that situation, that empathy is needed. And until and unless we will not cooperate with that person, empathy can't be seen. Empathy only seen, oh, bahut dukh hua, that is another thing. But when we are involved with that pain and grief, then we can show our real empathy with that person.
Okay. Just I want one answers from your side. Suppose that I was going through the way, it was raining, and I was carrying one umbrella with me. Satish sir was also passing through that way. Okay. I have to show empathy and sympathy both. How we can? Yes, one by one.
According to me, into that situation, you can share that umbrella.
Share that umbrella. Then, what you have shown?
I think both empathy and sympathy both.
How?
Sir, empathy which you are helping to Satish sir, and sympathy also you are thinking about that he is also feeling that.
Sympathy is that because you feel sympathized with that person who is drenched under rain. Empathy is that he keeping himself on that place and helping. That is sympathy and empathy together.
Thank you, ma'am. Now next is managing emotions. Many situations are there where we have to manage our emotions. So how we are going to manage our emotions? Yes. How we are going to manage our emotions? Tell me. Suppose that you are in the class and the students are also there and they are not allowing you to take the class. Then how you are going to manage your emotions?
First of all, I have to just get over my whatever. If I am getting angry, if I am getting irritated, I have to get over my emotions, and then I have to understand how to manage the classroom. What are the students thinking at this point of time, and I have to act accordingly. Suppose they are feeling like we are tired, we have just gone through games and we want to rest, relax, suppose. So I'll be like, okay, so what if I give you some questions and you solve just a mental calculation? So that is how we can cope with I can cope with the stress, I can understand that what the students are going through, and I can analyze my emotion at that point of time. I am angry, I am irritated with their behavior, but at the same time I understand that what are they going through, and I'll calm myself down, and I'll respond accordingly to the situation. That's how I can cope with the stress.
You have told that you will give some mental calculation,
Yeah.
and if they are not ready for that also, then how you will manage?
Okay, so that is something like even they are not listening to that. So then I'll go a step ahead. I'll call few students. I'll ask them to do some extracurricular activities, because at that point of time I've analyzed that maybe the conducting an extracurricular activities might get me their attention. So I'll conduct the extracurricular activity. I'll ask few students to sing in the class, and that is how they will lend me their ears. And after I've gained their confidence, I'll go ahead and tell them, what if we now go with some studies? Can we just study a little bit, because exams are approaching and I'm sure you'd like to do good in exams. So what if we discuss?
Fine. Now group 3, na? Group 3. Suppose that there is one student in your class and he is going to disturb you regularly. He doesn't allow you to take class even a single day also. How you will manage your emotion that time?
Very first point to managing emotion is giving our 100% in the class. If a teacher is giving his or her 100% in the class, then there is no chance that child will not pay attention and not engaged in the class.
Suppose that you are giving your 100% also, then how you will manage?
Creating self-awareness.
Yes.
Creating self-awareness in the child. What is the importance of class? What is the importance of enhancing the concept? How the child can be engaged more in the class by the practical activities.
Yes, ma'am.
This skill is needed to be gained with the time. So one day or 2 days, I will not expect that child to be paying attention to me. I will try and understand what is the thing that he is not able to cope in studies, and slowly and steadily I will counsel him and would have the faith and make him aware that by paying a bit attention towards his studies, he may do it.
Any other? Yes, sure.
Managing emotion is that when I am standing before the children, I can understand that the different students acting differently. Then I will do one thing, that's one game can be, I'll make a group, the similar emotions have the one group, and I'll give some work to them so that they can solve it, because every one group, when they sit with the same feeling, they can do it, they can act it accordingly. One. Second thing is that I'm keeping myself in that place and thinking that means I have done something wrong. My classroom management is very bad. I need to make it that an effective, that's involving everybody, because the situation has to be changed. So I involve them with some work, such work, group work, where they'll get that their mood can be changed.
See, you have got the answers here only. If the one skill, suppose that you can see managing emotions, we have got the answer. If we are not able to manage our emotions, so what we are doing? What we are doing that time? We are using alternative skills that time. We are using alternative skills that time. Suppose that ma'am has told about the techniques also. We will games. So many techniques are there that we will utilize. In second session, we will have that what are the techniques to be used for that skills. Means if one technique is not working, we have to utilize the other technique. If one skill is not working, other skill is interlinked with that skill. Means we have to just that time you have the critical thinking. You started thinking about that why we are not able to, we have to manage our emotion. Why we are not able to manage emotion? We have to manage. How we have to manage? We have to go for the another technique. Next is coping with stress. That is, I can see this is a particular problem of each and every one. Coping with the stress. First, my question is that from that group number 4, that how you are coping with your stress. Yes, Deepa ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. When you are going to home, okay, that time you are so stressed. how you are taking out your stress out? Yes. Any other from this group? Yes. Yes, coping with stress. How you are?
स्ट्रेस को कैसे हटाएंगे जब हम बाहर में से स्ट्रेस लेके जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले वहाँ पहुँच करके हम अपने घर वालों से मुस्कुराएंगे प्यार से बातें करेंगे ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट घर में बनाएंगे जिससे हमारा स्ट्रेस अपने आप में मिट जाएगा.
Means you have to be relaxed. Deepakam is not answering. I thought she used to relax by taking out the entire stress on others. ठीक है? Had I not done?
घर में पहुँच के बच्चों का चेहरा देखिए या परिवार वालों का स्ट्रेस भाग जाएगा.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, there are a number of ways we can be relaxed. That is, whenever we are in stress. Although first when we reach our home, like when we're talking to our parents, first we have that. Second, like in the school campus, how I get relaxed. Like whenever I'm having some stress, I go to pre-primary classes. Deepakam knows. I used to go to like smaller kids, like junior kids are there. When we start dancing or talking to those smaller kids, we feel very much relaxed. Third, we can talk to our the most loved person, who or she is connected, and we have to take out whatever the things which is giving you stress. Then you can discuss with your person, and that stress will be coming out slowly and slowly. It cannot be coming out all together, but it will take time, but it will come out.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Poonam ma'am is here.
Stress is inevitable, but we can take steps to minimize stress, like spending the time with the favorite ones, like with our kids. We can have also stress can also be removed by doing your things in which you are finding interest, talking to the person whom you feel that you are comfortable with, and these are the ways to remove stress.
Yes, Jyoti ma'am.
Actually, the stress is nothing. It is only our thinking of our mind. If suppose some stress is there after reaching home, the most important thing is that our kitchen is not clean, our house is not clean. Then that time I feel that I am stressed. I have to do this. But for the next time, the immediate I took the action that okay, I will just have a cup of tea and I will do it. When I am removing the stress, I am just aparting me from that situation. It will remove my stress. If I will not get the stress going ahead, then it will be automatically removed from our lives. So we should not take the stress so much.
It means we have got the answers. Similar answer is there. Whenever we are stressed, just we are doing the work which makes us happier most.
Yes.
That one is right.
First recognize. First we need to
Yes,
recognize.
Samantha.
So we need to recognize the stress what we are going through. Like sometimes we don't understand what we are going through. If we have a lot of stress of many situations, like we can have the family pressure, work pressure. We are fighting with our emotions sometimes, but we have to recognize. Sometimes we take wrong decision. Maybe you burst out with the wrong people. You tell the situation to the wrong people, and the things change. So we need to recognize first what stress we are going through, and through what we can be out from that particular stress.
Means you are going to recognize the source and effect of stress in your life, and then you are learning how to relax. Suppose that you have to cope up with your stress. Firstly, you have to find out the source and effect from where you are getting. Then you have to learn that how to be relaxed. कैसे? Means the work which we like most. ठीक है? Suppose that I have to come out of the stress. I am so stressful. Then what I am doing? Just I am going to home and give my full stress to my wife. ठीक है? Now when I give my full stress to my wife, she just pay attention to me. जब वो attention pay करती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This way we make our life stress out. Stress.
This is recorded actually.
See, all these skills are interrelated and reinforced with each other. We have answered, we have seen, all these are interrelated with each other. Then what we have to do, when one skill is not working, we have to go for the another skills. We have to go for the another techniques also. Now we will have I think it's tea time for now. 10 minutes break for us. Okay, have it. Tea.